Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, my name is Rayhan Adi Fahriansyah. I'm a junior high school student from IDN Boarding School Solo. In this video, I will going to show you a tutorial video and how to make game in Buildbox. And the game that I will show you is Finding Treasure. Check it out. So the game will be like this, and this game will be heavy because it will be 9 megabyte to 100 megabyte game. So the file is so big for my laptop, for my computer. I'm sorry, I forget to full screen. We'll play it again. Nah, look, it's a lake because I open OBS and I open this game too. I open two heavy application. So the game is will be like this. I will show you the tutorial. Okay, we just can go out from this. I will, and this is a 2D game. You have to click this, and for the first, we have to make the rotation is become negative 90, and make it become 12 and I'm sorry, 12, and this is it's up to you. I think, yeah, it's up to you. You will just optimizing by yourself. I will like just customize it like what I want. I think this is false. 12 or 10. I think this is, yeah, this false. I think we have to make it like this. 12. Yeah, like this, 12. I think this is too far. Yeah, this is too far. Make it more closer. Yeah, I think like this is, oh no, it's not. We have to make it become 4 for make it more taller, more tall. Make it 4, or it's up to you. You want to make it become 5, 4, or anything. I will make it 4 in this video. Yeah, I think this is enough. I think, yeah, this is enough. Yeah, this is enough, I think. And for the first, you have to open your file, and don't forget, I will give you the assets in the description box. I will give you the link, and the link will go to my drive, to my Google Drive. Wait, I forgot. Not in this file. I mean in lesson IT assets, and this is where is finding treasure assets. For the first, you have this. You just need to drag and drop this to build box. You have to make it the first thing that we do. Don't like importing all asset in the same time because it will be so long. It will make a lot of time was become worse. And the first is just like this. It's right, and for the second, for the next, we just can Control A, and for the parent skeleton is just cancel because we have imported before. And if you are right, it will be 17. Yeah, 17 without pyroskeleton, and just copy this and it will be a while. We just wait. How to close this? Wait, think just do this. Oh, cannot. I'm just wait. Just wait first. Be long because open OBS and Bitbox. No, just yeah, it's like that. So for the first, you have to make it drag and drop the pirate skeleton to your characters. Now, like this, and make it become a character. What does I make it? Okay, just do this character and dynamic. It's right, nothing. And for the first, we have to take that. What is that? Dunes. I mean dunes. These dunes. Make it like this. Make it. I mean to block from the outside of this border. So 1, 2. So make it become 2 like that. 2. Make it become what more 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 detail. Don't just do a worst thing. Just do it. Okay, it's right. No problem if it's like not. But I think 2 is better. If you want make it, if you want make it become 1 and 3 or what or anything, it's up to you. And for the is make it 2 block 2. I think it's better. Yeah, make it 2. And I think this video will be become a many part or just 2 part. I don't know. Make it like this. Okay, it's right. I think this is not right. Make it like this. Yeah, like this. And you have to make it become like tidy. Don't make it be messy, or it will be like yeah, like that. It will become not what not good. Yeah, not good. And I forgot to make it become 0. If 0, it will not become. Yeah, I think we just make it become 2 again. 2 again. I know it will be make a lot of time. Just yeah, like this. After that, you have to drag it to here, make it become 0. Oh, okay. We can make it become 2 block again, and forget we have to make it tidy. Same, make it tidy for make it more good. Yeah, I think this is good. There is no problem in this right side. Just like this. Nah, this is not just look like this. Yeah, it's not uh same like the sand, like the dunes or what it's called. I forgot. Yeah, think we just make it like this. After that, we have to take beach. Where is beach? Beach. Ocean. I mean, not beach. Beach is this, and ocean. Sorry. He, yeah, I forgot. For this, make the ocean is under the beach, and make it the dunes like this. It will be more more what? More nice. Make it like this. And I think 5 is better. Okay, just make it 5. Or it's up to you in for this. Wait, just make it 5. And I think in this part we just customizing for the background. It will make too long. Make many times. Yeah, I think just like this it's not problem. Yeah, just like this. I think it's no problem. And make it 2. I think 1 is better than 2. And this is ocean, right? Yes, this is ocean. Make it 2. Make it same. Make it same. Oh, make it same. Customizing. Nice. It's nice. And just what is this? Just do the same thing. I think it's perfect. And just make it become like this. Become a half or I think like this. Then you make it be in half. Its ocean is in the under of the beach. Why I do that? Okay, I think we have to make it down. After make it down like this, it's nice. Nice than before. And that we can take the sky. Where is the sky? This is the sky. It's 0. I forgot to make it. This is not 0. Right? Yeah, it's 0. Yeah, I'm wrong again. Just let's do this. Huh? Just do this. I'm sorry, it will be take a long time and make the sky is under the ocean. Or make it more what? More good. Make it 0. Make it like I think one block after the what? After the this border start and end border. And just make it like this. Oh, it's take a long time. But like I think it will be take a long time. Do this. I think it will become many parts. Because for the customizing, just do this, yeah. And I forgot to make it landscape. Oh, in project settings, and don't forget to make it landscape. It's portrait, click landscape, and okay. And we can see from this. Now like this. And that just cancel it and do this. Do this. Yeah. Can full screen first. And I think this is not perfect. Look, this side is not perfect like this side. Okay, this is not perfect. I think we can customize it again and make it become like this, I think. And I think the ocean is need a lot of that. Is make it like that. And I don't know, you can make it more good than me. Okay, just do that and do like this. And I think like it's not good. The ocean. And there's a black thing in there. What is this thing? Yeah, This is what is this? Yeah, it's there is no black again. And what is the problem of this? And yeah, it's perfect. And it's like sky ocean beats goods. Okay, the position is right. Okay, the the beat the beat it's bad. I don't know. I think the video will be over and I will make it become two part. I'm sorry. Don't forget to save it. Okay. Make the name is finding treasure. Finding treasure. Yeah, just finding treasure. And I think I will make it tutorial. Okay. Save. For control shift S is control shift S. For normal control is just control S. Okay, I think you can make it more good than me because I don't know what that I do. Just make this. Yeah, I think like this if I will save it again. Okay, I think the video will be over and I will end the video. Wait, and what is this? Okay, I think the video is over and I will make it become many parts because it will be make a long time. And I think that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I will make the second part. Okay, bye.